Hello everyone, my name is Caitlin and welcome to our channel, and if you've seen our videos before, welcome back. Our channel is filled with candy making, cake, cupcake, and cookie decorating videos. We are a baking, decorating, and candy making supply store, so anytime we get new products in store, we'll put those into our videos. If you want to see all the products that we offer, click the link in the description and that will take you to our website. Today we are making a piped snowflake cake. Let's get into the video.
Start with your cake smooth frosted in light blue buttercream. Then, fill a piping bag with white buttercream and cut the tip of the bag off. Pipe some buttercream around the bottom of the cake. Continue piping around the cake, and when you reach the halfway mark, create peaks and valleys around the cake, then go back in and fill the gaps. Use a scraper to smooth the frosting. Continue to scrape around the cake until the frosting is smooth and even. Fill a small, tipless bag with white buttercream and cut a very small hole in the tip of the bag. Pipe various sizes of snowflakes and dots on the blue buttercream. Allow the white buttercream to crust over before moving on to the next step. Add some silver luster dust to a paint tray and mix with a clear alcohol such as Everclear. Paint the top of the white icing in a few dots with this silver paint. Since this paint is made with alcohol, it will evaporate, making your paint very thick. If this happens, add a little more clear alcohol, stir well, and return to painting. To finish off this cake, spray with white jewel dust using a dry dust pump.
Thank you for watching our video, and if you want to make this snowflake cake yourself, check out the link in the description, and that will take you to our website. Linked below that photo are all the products that we used in the video. Be sure to comment and let us know what you thought of this video, and if you think of anything else you'd like us to create, let us know. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed our video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Country Kitchen Sweetheart to stay updated on our new products, sales, and holiday items. See you next time!